Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so fixes aren't wasted. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure pages load. Next, force close Messenger and reopen it to refresh the connection. This often repulls presence data. Make sure you're signed into the same Facebook account used for friends. Mismatched accounts hide contacts. Once done, proceed to background permissions and storage checks, because Messenger needs active network and proper permissions to show online friends reliably. Now you'll adjust settings that control presence reporting. Go to App Settings and enable background app refresh and notifications so Messenger can update who's online. Then clear the app cache, not always data, to remove corrupted temporary files that block friend lists. Also open Messenger's active status and Facebook's active status settings and make sure they're enabled. Disabling them hides online indicators. After changing these, restart the app so settings take effect and presence updates resync. Finish by forcing a full account sync. Log out of Messenger and Facebook, then log back in. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Messenger to ensure a clean app state. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version so you're not missing bug fixes. If friends still don't appear, test your account on another device to isolate device versus account issues. If the problem persists, check whether Messenger servers are down. This explains widespread online indicator failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.